Okay, now they give us the domain and range and we have to make things up. Draw the graph of a relation which has the domain XER, meaning x can be anything, it doesn't have any ending to the left or right. Y is less than or equal to 2, so it never gets any higher than 2, and it has only one x-intercept. Well, okay, so 2 is the highest it ever gets. I can't go above this line. I have to go forever to the left and right. It could be something like this. It has one x-intercept, meaning it hits the x-axis there, and that's it. This just keeps going down forever. And this gets flatter and flatter, so it never quite makes it to 2. It gets very close. Oh, actually, it does have to make it to 2, sorry. Because this is less than or equal to 2, this curve has to make it to the line, so we'll say it does that. It gets just barely to 2 and then goes flat and doesn't rise any higher, so 2 is the furthest that it ever got. With 2 x-intercepts, it still has to go forever to the left and right. Oh, sorry, one more thing over here. I should put arrowheads on this to make it clear that it never stops in either direction. That's to make sure that it covers every possible x value. It goes forever to the left, it goes forever to the right. 2 x-intercepts, I've still got to make it to 2 here, so I can't go any higher than that. With 2 x-intercepts, I could make something like this, where sorry, not the shape I wanted. It comes up, it gets to 2, and then it drops back down. Okay, so it goes forever to the left and right. It gets to 2, just barely, and then it drops away again. So this covers 2 and every y value that's less than 2. Explain why it's not possible to draw a graph which has XER, y less than or equal to 2, and no x-intercepts. If we tried to do the thing I just said, that would mean we'd have to cover 2 right here. So our graph would have to be there. It would have to be every y number that's less than 2. But wait, they told us no x-intercepts, so I've got to get all these y values down here, but they told me I can't cross the x-axis. That means you get to here, and suddenly you can't get any further. I'm not allowed to touch 0 or any of the negative numbers. That means I can't do this thing they're saying where y is everything less than 2.